Hey, look here. Yes. So what was I saying about? So in this video we will discuss about the originality and the duplicate factors in this video. We will discuss how we follow the foreign culture and the Western culture in our country, including this language accent too. The pronunciation of English is also copied from the foreign countries. So the first thing, when we go to speak English or any language, then we do that thing normally. But when it comes to the English language, then we see this language very fantastic language, and we follow the accent too, the pronunciation of these English from the foreign country, from the Western countries. So we should not do this, because this emits our originality. This deletes our originality from our country. We should follow our own culture. Our own culture is to speak English like this. We should speak slowly, because this is our culture. We should not follow the rapidly accent, the this kind of accent. I am going to do that, and it's not our own. Our own is to speak clear, to speak briefly, to speak that things slowly, so that we can understand those languages, those manifestations which we have hidden in our mechanism, in our manifestation, or in our conversation. So we should not follow that flock. We should not emit our originality from the foreign country too. Our accent is clear, our pronunciation is clear. We should not do that, like these things. I am Rohit, I am going to say about that thing, and those all. And we should not do this rapidly too. We can speak rapidly, we can slow rapidly, we can adopt that, but when we are going to other country, then we can use this on those person. But we should not use this on the rural people, on the city people, which never who never even know about the English, about the speaking of the English. You should use your this kind of English on those people. If you are thinking that I cannot speak English rapidly, and so that I am going to tell you about this thing, that this is not the reality, my friend. I can also speak English very fast, very foreign like that can, because it is also the originality, and it is also very connected to the countryman. But you are saying that I am going to be pro. Just look, this is the Babelness, this is the originality, this is our